8.6's sponsor PCBWay is far and away one of the coolest in my biased and humble opinion. Designing custom PCB has never been easier. If you have an idea, PCBWay can help you implement that idea and put it to practical use. Select your sizing, material, colors, quantity, quality, all in one spot. You don't have to have a factory or to start from scratch in a garage anymore. Get your idea out of your head and build something to use. Check out the link down below to get started. Hey guys, what's up? It's Matt with 8.6. I have happily and independently owned Starfavor P4 passive speakers for a while now, and I quite enjoy them. A lot of the experience of a good speaker can be owed to where it gets its source signal from, but good speakers still need to be, well, good, all on their own. To me, they are easy, affordable speakers, and I can always find a happy place with them, so why not try the P5s, which are the bigger brothers to the P4s that I already have. See what differences they have to offer, if any at all. The P5s are 4-ohm passive bookshelf speakers, and like the P4s, are banana plug capable, easy setup, and clean looking speakers. The cabinet is a faux wood done well to emphasize grain, and not quite black, but super dark smoky gray, almost black, which is I guess still kind of black enough to call black, but has that little bit of extra aesthetically different vibe, if that kind of makes any sense to you. Each speaker is a 50 watt RMS, 100 watt peak, and with each cabinet driving a 5¼ inch woofer, it's pretty nice and beefy looking. The woofer rings tones of iconic Klipsch look and feel with spun copper plated design. If it offers anything in regards to sound, I'm not the guy that could really identify that clearly enough to you, but just by basic listening, but it looks nice to me and they sound very good. However, if you don't want to look at this nice copper ring here on the 5¼ inch driver, just snap that grill back on and you don't have to look at it. Starfavor boasts their sensitivity at an excellent 94 decibels. I would recommend pairing this with a capable 4-ohm rated receiver. Maybe I'll take my own advice someday. I just like my very basic stereo, STRDH190, a little bit too much for right now, and it's only rated for as low as 6-ohm really, so it's not the most ideal pairing of my speakers with my receiver. But now that you're armed with that knowledge, here's an audio sample. I'm using a Fluence RT82 reference turntable connected to a Fozzybox 2 phono preamp to help color the sound a little bit, which is connected to the Sony STRDH190, playing a lathe cut printer vinyl 180 gram polycarbonate vinyl cut with recordings of an artist named Liquid with the permission to do so to play it. Now, recording speakers to be played back over your own listening device will never do true justice to sound, but have a listen and see what you think. Hopefully it will at least give you some kind of idea. So the tweeter is a horned aluminum tweeter. The horn design was explained to me by a home theater friend as a good way to disperse the highs directionally, as well as to protect the dome. Again though, whether or not I could swear testimony that one open tweeter or one horned tweeter makes enough of a sound profile difference to my naked ears to tell you that one is better over the other, well I can't, but aesthetically, it's also pleasing to look at. Each cabinet weighs 2.75 kilograms, a little over 6 pounds per speaker. They stand about 11.5 inches tall and are 7 inches wide. Each cabinet has 4 vibration absorbent feet which grip and dampen well. When it comes to passive speakers and someone is looking for passive speakers that you won't be throwing hundreds to thousands of dollars at, if you want something pretty simple, beautiful, clean, the P4s and P5s are what I recommend to people to try. They, like most speakers, will owe a lot of their success to the output source that you pair it with, so make sure to pair it with somewhat of a reputable receiver. I'd recommend using 16 to 12 gauge cable. Sit back and enjoy the sounds. Look, I hope this was somewhat helpful and useful to you guys. You guys have a great day, night, whatever it is, and I'll see you in the next video I do.